All right, so I just got in. What do we got to eat now? Whew. I know our table ain't the most expensive, but oh, my wallet. Subway and these crab rangoons again. Oh my gosh, I had to go crab rangoon. I got 2 orders, crab rangoon, crazy. But my mom's gonna have some. And then my mom made like this ravioli, mushrooms with that cream sauce. 3 subs for 24 bucks. So 2 steak and cheese, 1, what was the other one? Steak and cheese, oh, meatball. 1 meatball. Probably give my mom some of that. Crab rangoons. This is gonna last me days. Like I won't eat again probably tomorrow night or the next time. Smells like fresh donuts. The crab rangoons smell like fresh donuts.